Have you ever wondered what's the difference between I did it and I have done it? Well, let's ask Lina and Nico.
Hey Nico, I have finished the math homework.
Cool, I finished it yesterday.
Let's break it down. Lina used the present perfect, have or has plus past participle.
I have eaten. She has gone.
And Nico used the past simple, just the past form of the verb.
I ate. She went. Easy.
Now, here's the real trick. Unspecified time.
Nico, where is the bus? Waited for so long.
We don't know when, right? That's present perfect.
Well, we waited for 20 minutes yesterday too.
He used past simple because the time is clear. Yesterday. Let's review.
I have seen that movie. She has never tried sushi.
I saw that movie last week. She tried sushi in Japan.
Present perfect equals experience plus no exact time. Past simple equals finished action plus specific time. Today, we're going to learn some powerful words that help us use the present perfect like a pro.
Lina, have you made the cake yet?
Yes, I've already finished it.
Yet is used in questions and negative sentences. It means until now. Already means something is done sooner than expected.
Have you ever flown in a helicopter?
No, I've never done that.
Ever is used in questions about experience. Never means not even once.
I've lived in this town since 2019.
Since tells us when something started.
And I've been here for 5 years.
For shows the duration of time. Now, let's see how present perfect is different from past simple.
We visited Paris in 2021.
This is past simple, a finished action at a specific time.
Yes, and I visited Paris 3 times.
This is present perfect, used for life experiences with no exact time. Let's compare. If you say when it happened, use past simple. If you talk about experience or the effect now, use present perfect.
So, grammar is not that boring after all.
Not when you travel through tenses like we do.
Let's practice. Now, watch Lina and Nico in real-life conversations using present perfect.
Hi, we've just ordered 2 coffees. Can you check?
I've never seen such a crowded cafe before.
Have you ever tried this chocolate cake?
Yes, I've already had it. It's amazing.
Notice the use of just, never, ever, and already.
I've received a message from Sarah. She hasn't arrived yet.
We've been here for 30 minutes.
Good job. You're getting better at using time expressions. Even native speakers make mistakes with present perfect. Let's fix them together. Wrong. I've visited Rome in 2019. Right. I visited Rome in 2019. Use past simple when you say exact time. Wrong. Did you ever been to Canada? Right. Have you ever been to Canada? No did with present perfect. Use have or has plus past participle. Wrong. I've worked here since 5 years. Right. I've worked here for 5 years. Use since for a start point and for duration. Mistakes help us learn. Just remember, present perfect is not about the past. It's about the present connection to the past. Think about the result, not the time. We've learned so much today. Quiz time. Test your present perfect skills. Question 1. Which sentence is correct? A. I have saw that movie before. B. I saw that movie before. C. I have seen that movie before. D. I seen that movie before. Correct answer, C. I have seen that movie before. A is incorrect because have saw is grammatically wrong. B is past simple, but before is often used with present perfect. C is correct. Have and seen is the right structure. D is wrong. Seen needs have or has. Question 2. Choose the sentence that uses for correctly. A. She has lived in London since 5 years. B. She has lived in London for 5 years. C. She lived in London for 2019. D. She has been living in London since 5 years. Correct answer, B. She has lived in London for 5 years. A is wrong. Since needs a specific starting point. B is correct. For is used for duration, like 5 years. C doesn't make sense. We say in 2019, not for 2019. D is incorrect, again, since 5 years is not proper. Question 3. What's wrong with this sentence? Did you ever eat sushi? A. It's correct in present perfect. B. Did should be replaced with have. C. Ever is not used in questions. D. Eat should be in past tense. Correct answer, B. We say, have you ever eaten sushi? Not, did you ever? Ever is perfectly fine in present perfect questions. And eat is okay. We don't use the past here. Question 4. Fill in the blank. We finished our homework. A. Did. B. Have. C. Has. D. Was. Correct answer, B. We have finished our homework. A is past simple. We need present perfect here. B is correct. We comes with have. C is wrong. Has is for he, she, or it. D is passive and doesn't work in this sentence. Question 5. Your turn. What's the difference between these two sentences? 1. I have visited Paris. 2. I visited Paris in 2018. Write your answer in the comments. Hinting, think about the time reference and why we use present perfect versus past simple. Let's quickly go over what we've learned about the present perfect. Ready? Present perfect is formed using have or has plus the past participle. For example, I have eaten.
Or she has gone.
Now, when do we use it? Well, here are the 3 most common uses. 1. Life experiences. Have you ever been to Japan? 2. Recent actions. I've just finished my homework. 3. Actions with unfinished time. We've lived here for 5 years. Speaking of time, let's talk about keywords that often come with present perfect. These include already, just, yet, ever, never, since, and for. Now here are a few common mistakes to watch out for. First, don't use present perfect with a specific past time. Not, I have seen her yesterday. Say, I saw her yesterday. Second, don't forget the past participle form. Not, I have went. Say, I have gone. Third, don't say did you ever when you mean present perfect. Not, I have visited Paris in 2019. Say, I visited Paris in 2019. And here's the golden rule. If the time is finished, use past simple. If the time is still going, use present perfect. Got it? Awesome. Let's keep practicing. Now it's your turn. Have you ever done something truly unforgettable? What's something you've just finished today? Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to hear your stories. And hey, don't forget to answer the quiz question before you go. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GlassLingo, and hit that bell so you never miss a new lesson. More grammar tips are coming your way every single week. Let's level up your English together.